this is my closet. I hope you guys are having a great fall. I guess it's considered fall. I don't know when it actually starts, but I can tell the weather is changing. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning or you just subscribed, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I just want to mention, I watch a lot of YouTubers, and the work that a YouTuber puts into their channel, it's just amazing. The filming, the editing, putting everything on there, commenting. So I just want to let you know that I appreciate so many of the other YouTubers that are out there. So let's get into the box. Stitch Fix monthly subscription. Actually, you can get it every couple weeks if you want it. I have the Style Pass, which you pay a one-time $49, and that gets credited towards anything you purchase. And then there's no styling fee for the rest of the year. So this is my second year doing that. And of course, I just keep getting boxes. You gotta kind of be choosy because you can't buy every piece in every single box, unless of course maybe you're a millionaire. But I have learned to kind of just buy what I really, really love. So this box, there was a little bit of a mix-up. I got a box that was supposed to come to Washington, but for some reason they also sent a box to my Arizona address. So I emailed them. Their customer service is awesome. They're like, you'll get both boxes in Washington, and just, you know, pick out the pieces you want. So I think this is the box that had gone by accident to Arizona. So comes with the return mailer, and in this case I have two, and then it comes with the style card and the price list. As always, I will leave a link below. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix and you want to give it a try, there is a $25 credit with my link, so you don't have to pay the $20 normal styling fee, and then you also get $25 in credit to buy something. So that link will be below. So let's get into it. I'm not going to peek, but the first thing I see is jewelry. My feelings on Stitch Fix jewelry, they have some nice original pieces. They're a little pricey. I usually only purchase the jewelry if it's a 5 for 5. Because you can go to other stores and you know, buy jewelry for a little bit less. But the thing about it is sometimes they have such a unique piece that you know you'd never find it anywhere else. So let's see what they sent me. And this is one of those pieces that I would buy. I like wearing silver jewelry. And I have the necklace on from unboxing my single swag box because I'm trying to catch up on all my filming, so I didn't change. But this is a very nice piece. Does it have a stone in it? It looks like it's kind of a gray stone. It's coming up a little bit green. It might be too short. I'll have to try it on when I do my try-ons, because I don't like things choking my little turkey neck. So that's the first thing that's in the box. The next thing, this is super, super cute. It's a polka dot, and I want to say the color is kind of like a caramel. Obviously, it doesn't go with the shirt I'm wearing, but this is a really cute top. And this is by Sophie Rue, and I'm thinking it's a size large. It is a size large, and the color is burnt orange. So this would be really cute for the summer. It is lined, or you can throw on a cream color cardigan for the fall, and even try that necklace, which I might do. So I really like this. And of course, we'll have to check prices. And I don't know if it fell out of the bundle, but here's the rest of the pieces. I hope I'm not crunching in your ear. The next thing is by Melody. It's a size large, and it's a Castlin tie front top, size large in a gray. It's a super cute top, but it's very see-through. So unless you wore something underneath it, it would be a no-go. But it is a real cute, it's a real cute style. But yeah, it's just way see-through, and you can't wear that other one underneath it. The next thing, definitely a cute little fall piece with a cardigan, is Daniel Rain Anari Tassel Split Neck Knit Top, navy is what they're calling this, in a size large. It's super cute, but it's got those sleeves, but it's longer in the back, so I might be able to get away with it. And I was in, I don't know what store it was, but I found those little round things that you can hook onto the back of your bra so that the sleeves go in, or your straps go in, so you don't have to get a sports bra. The last thing are a pair of jeans. I guess it's getting that time of year. The Slim Boot Mid-Rise Curvy by Elise. And these actually look pretty cute. They're just a plain jean. The pockets are cute. It's got a little distressing right here. And this is the bottom, so I'll be able to wear my boots. And I'm kind of liking them. They're a 29.33, so the length will be good. I hope I can get into this waist with all the weight I've gained. So that is everything in the box. So I will be back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. I am wearing the Elise Slim boot cut jeans, the Castlin tie front top, and the Trina Natural Stone Charm necklace. So this is the top. It's got these sleeves, but this is kind of tight, and it's too short for my belly. But this is what the top looks like. It's got a nice neckline, and then this is the necklace. I really like it. It's in silver. And then the boot cut jeans, and they're a size 8. And what I like about them is the length on the boot. And this is the back. And this is the front. So let me know what you think of this outfit. I'm really liking the boots and the necklace, but not crazy about the top. I will be right back with the next two tops. Okay, I am back with the next top. This is the Daniel Rain Anari Tassel Split Neck Knit Tee in navy in a size large. Sorry, I have my bra strap showing, but I'm not going to keep this, so I didn't want to go through all the work and fix it up. So let me know what you think of this one, and I still have on the jeans. Okay, I am back with the last top. This is the Sophie Rue Leisha button front cami in burnt orange in a size large. If I were to keep this top, I'd have to size up. It's a little short here, and it's a little tight in the ladies. Of course, I'm not wearing a strapless bra. See if you can see it's tight. It's got the love handles hanging out. It's really cute. It would be great for a layer piece with the jacket, or even a nice cami. I do like this one, but again, I'd have to size up. I think it looks great with the jeans. So let me know what you think, and I'll be right back with the recap and the prices. Okay, I am back with the recap. I thought it was a pretty good box. I still have on this cami because I really like it, but again, if I kept it, I'm gonna have to size up. And let's go over everything, what I'm keeping, and the prices. So this cami by Sophie Rue is $38, which is not a bad price, and it is lined. So I have to decide if I'm going to exchange it. And then of course I have to see if they have it. The next piece was another Daniel Rain, a Nari tassel split neck. I know I'm definitely not going to keep it. I just really do not like the pattern of this. It's a nice fall pattern, but I'm just not crazy about it. And that piece is $54. And to be honest, I don't think that top is worth $54. Even if I did the buy all, it's not worth the price. Then I have on the Nakomi Trina Natural Stone Charm Necklace in dark gray, and it's $38. I really like this necklace, but I just can't see paying close to $40 for it. I've seen lots of jewelry. We also go to Mexico, and they have beautiful silver pieces that don't even compare to this. So this will probably be a no. Then there's the Mellow Day Caslin tie front top in gray, and it's $42. It was a little tight in the sleeves. It's a really cute top, but it was too short and my belly hung out, and there's nothing worse than seeing my belly. But again, it's a really cute top. And the last piece are the jeans, and they are by Silver Jeans Company, the Elise Slim Boot Cut Jean in indigo in a size 8, and they're $79. And we know jeans with Stitch Fix usually run $88, $79, but I really do like them, and they fit good. And I think I might have some credit to put towards them. So if anything, I'm going to keep the jeans. So the whole total of this box is $251. With the buy all discount, you take $62.75, and it would bring it to $188. But I just wasn't crazy about everything to want to keep it. So let me know what you think of this box. I do have the styling pass, so I don't have to pay the $20 styling fee. And let me just see, before I forget who styled me. I had Kat, and she was doing a great job, and then I think she took some vacation, so they were giving me random people. And I actually have Kayla. So she said she's going to be styling me, and you know, she did a great job. It's just with fit issues, it's almost impossible for a new stylist to get you. So let me know what you think. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please comment below on what you thought of the pieces. Again, I will leave my link if you want to try Stitch Fix for free. Get a $25 credit, no styling fee. That link will be below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.